The most single important attribute in bringing sustainability to the masses is to shift the mindset from treating the village community as beneficiaries to treat them as customers.
The most systemic change which has come is the role of the department has changed from implementer to facilitator. It's a very difficult job, particularly in government where we are taught to maintain the status quo. I feel that is the greatest change, that the power has gone to the people.
This PPP has to be P4. The most important player in this is the people themselves. So they have to have the ownership.
Presently, most of the developing organization or even government is concentrating on the hardware part of the development. Just suppose construction of building, construction of hospital, but there is a shortfall. There is no system, no procedure at the village level. That's why it does not sustain. So KGBK has taken a challenge to develop the software part, that is to build up the system procedure at the village level and building the capacity of the community to run it by their own self.
हमारे जो गांव में समस्या होती थी, कैसे इनको सॉल्व करें वो हमको पता नहीं चलता था, बट केजीबीके ने हमें समस्या समाधान समूह के बारे में बताया कि कैसे बैठक कर हम कोई भी समस्या को समाधान कर सकते हैं।
अपनी गांव की महिलाएं को घर से बाहर निकालती हूँ, रोजगार में जुड़ाती हूँ। केजीबीके से हम लोग को बहुत सारी सहायता मिला है, जैसे गांव में बकरी पालन, शुगर पालन, मुर्गी पालन, ये बिजनेस करके हम लोग महिलाओं को सशक्त करते हैं और हमें किसी पर आश्रित नहीं होनी पड़ती है।
We have tried to change the mentality of the people. Because when we started, the people will ask all sorts of free things. Then I used to tell them that look, we need the entrepreneurs, we need the people who really want to do something, want to do earn and help the other people. If you are coming by this hand, please leave this venue. We would like to see your hand like this. So in a mode of a giver.
हम लोग काफ़ी अरसे से केजीबीके में काम कर रहे हैं। विलेज हेल्थ सैनिटेशन एंड न्यूट्रिशन कमेटी के तहत गर्भवती महिलाओं के पास जाकर उनके काउंसलिंग करते थे, लेकिन वो प्रॉपर नहीं था, इफिशिएंटली एंड इफेक्टिवली नहीं हो पा रहा था। लेकिन व्हेन वी स्टार्ट ये आई दिमागी कॉमकेयर बेस्ड मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी, ये हम लोग के लिए काफ़ी ईजी हो गया। विलेज हेल्थ कमेटी जो हमारी है, इसमें हमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा सहयोग कर रही है, क्योंकि उन्हें ये ऑनरशिप आया है जो पहले उनके पास नहीं था। इस टेक्नोलॉजी से वो पूरी की पूरी मैक्सिमम महिलाओं तक वो लोग पहुंच रही है, उन्हें ट्रैक करना इजी हो जा रहा है। तो ये एक विलेज हेल्थ कमेटी का एक ऑनरशिप भी डेवलप हुआ है इस कॉमकेयर टेक्नोलॉजी से।
So our whole process has been driven by the felt needs. And what are the felt needs? The people want sustainable additional income in their hands and a qualitative improvement in their life.
In TVM, we are addressing the people at the bottom of the pyramid. TVM process builds in the balance of social development and economic growth. We are transferring the ownership to the community through the quality circle.
सबसे पहले तो उसके सोच को तो बदलाव लाएंगे, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड लाना जरूरी है, तभी वो विकास निरंतर चलेगा।
Most importantly, the positive mindset should be there, but ultimately when that attitude sets in, that yes, we can, a sustainable movement involving the common man is possible. And this is what the Global Shapers community believes in, that as young people, yes, we can make a difference to our communities.